Hey love! So it's your first time using a tampon and you're wondering how to put a tampon in. This is a step-by-step guide for beginners. Let's get started. So before learning how to use a tampon, it's really helpful to understand some basic anatomy of your vulva. So this is your vulva. You have the labia majora and the labia minora, and then from top to bottom you'll find the clitoris, the urethral opening, which is where you pee from, the vaginal opening, which is where your period blood comes from and where your tampon goes. Then you have the perineum, which is the small area of skin between the vaginal opening and the anus. And finally, the anus, which is where you poop from. Before attempting to insert a tampon for the first time, it's really helpful to get a mirror and just get familiar with your anatomy. This will make it much more clear to you where the tampon goes, which will make you feel so much more confident when you're inserting your tampon. How to insert a tampon. Now let's go through how to actually put a tampon in. First, wash and dry your hands. Then sit on the toilet with your knees apart. Some people prefer standing with one foot on the toilet or the bathtub, so you can kind of experiment with what position works best for you. But the easiest and most mess-free way, in my opinion, is just sitting on the toilet with your knees apart. Gently separate your labia so you can find your vaginal opening. Feel for the opening just in front of the perineum. That opening is your vaginal opening where your tampon will go. If you move farther back, you'll reach your anus, which is not where the tampon goes. So once you've found your vaginal opening, unwrap your tampon. Hold the tampon from the applicator's grip. Place the tip of the applicator at the vaginal opening and aim it toward your lower back, not straight up. Your vaginal canal naturally angles slightly backward, so angling the tampon toward your lower back usually feels much more comfortable. As you begin inserting the applicator, take slow, deep breaths. Breathing slowly and deeply helps to relax your pelvic floor muscles, which is gonna make inserting the tampon much more comfortable, much more smooth and easy. Slide the applicator into the vagina until you reach the grip of the applicator, so where you're holding on with your hand. Then gently push the plunger all the way in. Remove the applicator and all you should see is the string outside of your body. If you feel the tampon or if it's feeling just like uncomfortable or painful, it's usually just not inserted quite far enough. But don't panic, just remove the tampon and try again with a fresh tampon. When it's inserted correctly, you really shouldn't feel the tampon at all. If it's not going in easily, don't force it, just take a break, take a deep breath, relax your muscles, and try again. Learning to use tampons for the first time takes trial and error, it takes some practice, some getting used to. That's completely normal, it's something to expect. So just be patient with yourself as you're learning. What if it's not going in? First, make sure that you're actually at your vaginal opening. Then take some more slow, deep breaths and really mindfully relax your body. Unclench your muscles and just relax. Because when we're nervous, we clench up and we tighten up, and that makes it harder then to insert the tampon. It's completely normal if it takes a few tries. It's completely normal too if you have a session of trying to put a tampon in and it doesn't work, and then you maybe try on your next period and you have success with it. How to remove a tampon. Tampons should be changed every 4 to 8 hours, and you should never leave a tampon in for longer than 8 hours. To remove a tampon, wash and dry your hands, sit comfortably on the toilet with your knees apart, and then take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, breathe out through your mouth like you're blowing out birthday candles. And as you're exhaling like this, pull the tampon out from the string. You're also going to want to make sure you're pulling out at a slight downward angle, not upward. If it feels uncomfortable when you're removing a tampon, it might just be because the tampon is still kind of dry, and that can happen if you're using an absorbency that's just too high for your flow. So if that's the case, then you might want to try a lower absorbency next time. It might also be uncomfortable if you're trying to pull the tampon out at like a upward angle. Again, you want to angle it downward as you're pulling it out. And again, use that trick of exhaling like you're blowing out birthday candles as you're pulling out the tampon, because it helps to relax the pelvic floor muscles, which makes it so much easier to remove a tampon. Once you've removed it, wrap the used tampon in either toilet paper, or if you have the wrapper that it came in, wrap it in that and throw it in the garbage. Never put a tampon down the toilet because it can clog the toilet and mess with plumbing, so always throw your tampon into the garbage. So if you're still having trouble or you have questions about which tampons to use, tampon sizes and absorbency, toxic shock syndrome, or common beginner fears, I cover all of that in my full tampon guide video. So I will link that video at the end of this video and in the description box down below. I hope that this video was helpful. Give it a like if it was. Share it with a friend who also needs some help with tampons. Subscribe to Dear Love for more women's wellness content. I'm so glad that you're here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves!